This is all-new Toyota Grand Highlander. Now we discuss some key interesting points for this car. First, about the exterior. What I like about the car in terms of design, the car has a strong exterior with firmer trim and with smooth, sporty details. Next, the interior of the car is spacious, modern, with a lot of advanced technology so that user can feel comfortable and enjoy it when driving. The car is equipped with a good enough engine to move in the city and also for long trips. Regarding the technology, the car is equipped with the most advanced technology to enhance drivers' driving experience. The car also equipped with full safety features, providing maximum protection for customers and drivers. So, with this well-designed car, the model is expected to attract great attention from car lovers. Built on the TNGA platform, Grand Highlander is the active family cruiser fit for everything from short trips to long drives. Thank you for watching the video. Please let me know what you think about this car by leaving a comment below the video. Thanks again for watching.